We here at DELTAREI-52 have an important emergency update to bring you regarding the situation of the Lake County discarded vessel anomaly of hometown North that poses an extreme danger to the northern Coloradan civilian population. Unfortunately, the two local police officers sent to deal with the anomaly located currently at the Hometown North Public Cemetery since midnight of the Hometown North Police Department have both been killed trying to apprehend the being. It is advised you continue to stay inside and not leave your home until further notice. Until then, it is greatly advised that you must keep calm, stay in your home, and keep all your doors locked and windows shut until given the clear to leave. Do not go outside as you are putting yourself in grave danger by doing so.
In this broadcast, you are to come outside as soon as possible. It is now safe to come outside. Come outside, please, and join us, and let us have many years of fun.